Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today here we are with an Apple iPad mini, and this is the rose gold color which you can see right now, and today we are going to do its unboxing. So this model is the Wi-Fi one, and it only supports Wi-Fi. It does not support 4G LTE. However, the 4G LTE model is available and you can buy that one also. This one comes with the 64 GB memory, and its country of origin is China, and the MRP of this product is 34,900. Also, you can buy it directly from the Apple website, or you can buy it from Amazon or Flipkart, or whichever is convenient to you. And so today we are going to do its unboxing. I have already removed the protective film which was on this box. So let's now get straight into the unboxing. So I'm just gonna lift this up. Slowly does it. It's a sophisticated product, so of course it requires some. There we go. Slowly does it. Here we are. So this is the pad. I'm gonna take it out, put it on the side, and this is the, I think this will be the quick start guide and the warranty card. Yes, that's what it is. So I'm just gonna move it to the side, and here we are with the charger. This is the quick adaptive charger which comes with this product. So I think it will go like this. Yes, that's how it went. I like it. Yeah, I like it a lot. So and then just move this film. There we go. So let me put the charger aside, and this is the lightning fast USB cable which comes with the iPad product. You also take it out, and that's all there is to it. You just put all this back in the box. There we go. So this iPad mini comes with a 7.9-inch screen display. So there we go, and this is the rose gold color. It looks very good. And here we have that camera. So let's get into the specs and the features. We have the stereo speakers at the bottom and the connector port, and we have the home button or the 390, or this is the fingerprint also, and then we have the front camera, and then we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So the display is 7.9 inch retina display. It comes with the LED backlit multi-touch display, and it has a 3 resolution of 2048 into 1536, and it comes with 326 pixels per inch, 326 ppi, and it also has that two-tone display, which means it will note that this color of the display will change according to the environment in which you are in. So, and this iPad also supports the Apple Pencil, the Apple first generation pencil. Okay, and the chipset is the A12 Bionic chip, which comes with a 64-bit architecture neutral engine, and it's a 8 megapixel. It has supports 8 megapixel camera. Okay, and the face camera is of 7 megapixel. This is the 7 megapixel camera, and it is the 8 megapixel camera, as you can see. And there are some smudges because of my hands on the back, so that's all there is to it. So with that said, let's get into the device, and I'm gonna power it on. There we go. I have powered on the device. This is my first Android iOS device. This is my first iOS device. Sorry about that Android part. This is my first iOS device which I'm getting into. So of course I have never tried an iOS device before, but due to the reading and movie watching stuff that I do sometimes, so I think I will just go with it. It was recommended that if you are a great movie watcher or you just would like to read books, then you can go with the iPad. Current country of origin will be India. So this is the basic setup which is doing. Continue. So it's asking for a network, and right now I will just go and continue without Wi-Fi. Okay, I will have to connect my laptop with this pad. Okay guys, so the device is getting set up. I think it's not recognizing my device, something like that. Well guys, that's some issue which I will have to figure out later. I think I will just have to add a Wi-Fi in it. So that's it guys for this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. I will try and to post more unboxing videos if I can. Okay, I need your support. So because I'm only a beginner, I have to improve on my skills. I know right now you guys don't like the way I try to unbox my videos, but I'm trying to improve myself. So yeah, your support counts, because of your support only I will be able to unbox more videos. So thank you guys, and any tips, any suggestions which you can recommend to me, I will I will be glad enough to implement those, because if you have any suggestions for me, I will most likely take up your suggestions. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this.